Right now, the transformation happening at Camp Nou is reaching a critical stage. Structural systems are rising fast, fade installation has officially begun, and the compression ring is expanding week by week. This is the May 2026 construction update. And the progress is accelerating. Construction continues at a strong and consistent pace across all major areas of the stadium, with visible advancements in structural steelwork, compression ring assembly, FAD preparation, and installation phases. In the south goal section, work is ongoing at the upper structural levels. Workers on elevated platforms are focused on detailed finishing tasks on the black steel beams, including surface preparation and protective treatment. Multiple lifting platforms are active, allowing simultaneous work at different heights. Structural supports for sandwich panels are already installed, showing that this area is fully prepared for the next phase of panel placement. These panels will cover VIP zones and internal sections. At the same time, workers are aligning and securing anchor points across the structure, ensuring precision before fade elements are installed. One of the most critical developments right now at Camp Nou is the steady expansion of the compression ring, the structural system that will support the entire roof. New radial beams and flanges are being delivered and staged on site, especially around the lateral and corner sections. Several radial beams are now clearly visible, positioned, and ready for installation. These elements form the backbone of the compression ring, connecting different parts of the upper structure into a continuous circular system. Installation is progressing at a consistent rhythm, with new segments being added every few days. This pace shows strong coordination and efficiency in structural assembly. Each new flange installed extends the ring further, gradually closing the gaps and strengthening the overall structure. The alignment of these components is extremely precise, as even small deviations could affect the load distribution of the future roof. As more radial beams and segments are connected, the compression ring is becoming more defined, especially in corner areas where transitions between sections are more complex. This ongoing progress indicates that the stadium is moving closer to the next major milestone, preparing for roof installation. The visible growth of the compression ring is one of the clearest signs of structural advancement at this stage of construction. Fade development at Camp Nou is now entering a highly visible and important phase. After weeks of preparation work, the installation of fade elements, particularly ceramic slats, has officially started in key areas, most notably in the north goal section. Before installation began, workers completed several critical preparatory steps. These included painting the structural steel beams in black and applying anti-corrosion coatings to bolts and connectors. This protective layer ensures long-term durability and resistance against environmental conditions. Now, the focus has shifted toward the actual installation process. Vertical supports for the slats have already been installed across multiple sections, especially near mobility cores. In addition, horizontal guide rails are being carefully aligned and fixed in place. These guides are essential because they ensure that every slat is installed with perfect spacing and alignment, maintaining the uniform design of the stadium's exterior. At the north goal corner, new slats are actively being lifted into position using elevated platforms. Workers positioned at different levels coordinate to secure each slat precisely onto its supports. This process requires careful handling and exact positioning to maintain both structural safety and visual consistency. The installation is progressing step by step, with each new slat contributing to the overall fade coverage. As more sections are completed, the stadium's appearance is beginning to transform from exposed steel structure into a finished architectural design. In other areas, such as the lateral sections and corners, fade work is still in the preparation phase. Workers continue to align anchor points, install supports, and prepare guide systems. This indicates that fade installation will soon expand into these zones as well. Once fully installed, the fade slats will cover large portions of the stadium, including VIP areas and upper tiers, creating a unified and modern exterior. The combination of structural precision and aesthetic design makes this phase one of the most important in the entire project. At the north goal, fade installation is now clearly visible, while other teams continue working on beam preparation and bolt treatment. Anti-corrosion layers are still being applied in some areas before final finishing. Concrete work is also ongoing nearby, with pumps and formwork systems in operation. Workers are preparing and pouring structural concrete elements, contributing to both strength and stability. Across the stadium, multiple elevated platforms are in use for welding, drilling, and securing structural components. In some sections, active welding work can be seen, highlighting ongoing reinforcement of steel connections. Cranes are also moving structural elements, including pillars and support pieces. The first cantilever level is expanding steadily, with new components being installed and aligned. The construction at Camp Nou is progressing in a highly coordinated manner. Structural work, compression ring assembly, fade preparation, and installation are all advancing simultaneously. Some areas are still in alignment and preparation stages, while others have already moved into visible finishing phases. The compression ring continues to grow, and fade installation is now actively shaping the stadium's final look. As of today, the stadium is deep into its mid-construction phase. This is the most critical stage, where the real shape of the new Camp Nou is starting to come alive. Everywhere you look, there's progress. But what stands out the most? The scaffolding. Huge layers of scaffolding now wrap around multiple sections of the stadium. These aren't just temporary supports, they are the backbone of the current construction process. Workers are using these structures to safely access higher levels where major installations are happening, including structural reinforcements and early facade preparations. At this stage, the focus is not just on building upward, but strengthening everything underneath. Concrete work, steel alignment, and internal framework adjustments are happening simultaneously. It's a complex operation, and the scaffolding allows multiple teams to work at different heights at the same time, speeding up the overall timeline. You can already start to see how the new design is taking shape. The outer layers are slowly evolving, and the skeleton of the future stadium is becoming more visible with each passing day. This phase may not look as flashy as the final result, but it's one of the most important parts of the entire rebuild. Without this groundwork, nothing else would be possible. And trust me, once this stage is complete, things are going to move even faster. Stay tuned, because the next updates from Camp Nou are going to be even bigger.